Say something interesting, Wye Valley Walker.
This is the River Edu, which can be found in North Africa, which is where we are today. Traipsing down. It's a tributary off the actual Amazon, so we're looking for some nomadic tribes at the moment. We're hoping to come across some. They tend to hunt with wild dogs, so we're going to keep an ear out to see what we can find today as we wander down this part of the Amazon. We'll just give a quick view around of where we are. Very, very wild here, not much civilization, possibly untouched by man apart from the native tribes. So stick with us, come back for part 2 and we'll see if we can meet some of these tribes. Let's hope we don't get eaten or killed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell and super like. And if you want to join the subscription you can, starting at 99p a month up to £45 a month. And for that you get one personal video every 6 months no matter which one you pay for. Thank you very much. Making you laugh, honey.
What do you...
You filming or filming? What are we on?
What do you mean, what are we on?
Film or photo?
Film?
Oh, a film? I wasn't ready. Oh, hang on.
Oh my god.
Hi guys, and welcome to the next episode of Wye Valley Walker. We found this old footbridge now. We're going to cross the Amazon River. You can see it's in full flood at the moment. We've just hit the rainy season. So we're hoping this bridge holds out, but as you can see, it is quite rickety. I'll go first, and then if the crew can just follow behind me. And just one at a time, please. Maybe 2. Yeah, it's nice and thick, Ricky, but I think we'll be alright.
Fucking idiot.
I think if we keep low to the ground, we should be okay. Very slow movements, nothing sudden, okay? Right, we start coming now, just one at a time now. I think we're past the worst bit. Stay low, keep that centre of gravity down. Especially people like me who are very tall. Well, guys, welcome to Wye Valley Walker again. We made it across the bridge. It was a bit hairy at one place. We lost 2 crew members on the crossing. Sadly, Sally was pregnant. For free, technically. We want to include that. But on the bright side, I made it, and we can perform and make one more episode of Wye Valley Walker. Joe Tinton at Joe Tinton. Sorry guys, just catching breath. That was horrific. I'm a little shaken up still. Look, we've got to cross. Hang on. There's crocodiles, alligators everywhere. We've got to get off here yet. We'll still get through to the other side. So remember, like, share, subscribe, super like. Don't forget, subscriptions are now available, 99p up to £45 a month for more tremendous videos. Joe Tinton. Alright, don't worry about me.
Okay. Don't die, we're going.
Be careful. Crying out loud.
Hey, we'll go.
Good luck, bye.
And where are we going?
Downstream.
I need to go back to front.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Actually, you could cross using those logs over there.
Yeah, alright. Welcome back to Wye Valley Walker. Stumbling through the Amazon, we have just found one of the wild tribes with their wild dogs. I'll just put you over to them now. As you can see, no human contact for years as she slowly ambers off into the distance, totally ignoring our presence at the moment, possibly gone to signal others to let them know of our arrival and our presence in the Amazon jungle. There, behold, the mighty Amazon River.
Where is he? There he is.